In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your identity on Afterpay and guide you through the steps so you can complete the process smoothly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. To get started, open the Afterpay app or go to the Afterpay website and begin the sign-up process. As part of signing up, you'll need to provide accurate personal information, since Afterpay uses these details to verify your identity. In many cases, if you receive an email or app notification asking you to confirm your details, you'll need to enter them manually to continue. You'll first be asked to enter your email address, followed by your legal name. Make sure you type your first and last name exactly as they appear on your official documents, because the system checks this information against official records. After that, enter your date of birth and then your phone number. You might also see an optional field asking for additional information about what help you need. This part isn't required, so you can fill it in if relevant or simply skip it. Next, select your country from the list provided to ensure your account is set up correctly. Once you've completed all the required fields, take a moment to carefully review your information and make sure everything is accurate before submitting the form. After submitting, you'll be prompted to upload identification documents to complete the verification process. Accepted documents typically include a driver's license, passport, or birth certificate. Upload clear and valid copies of your documents, then wait while Afterpay reviews your submission. Once your documents are approved, your identity will be successfully verified and your account will be ready to use. And since you're setting up and using online financial services, you might also want to explore simple ways to earn a bit of extra money online in your spare time. Some platforms offer rewards for completing small tasks, surveys, or offers, which can be a convenient way to build up some extra funds. I've included a link in the description where you can sign up for free cash for free and check it out if you're interested.